That's the pickup coil. There is no parts touching each other. Only you have a rotor spins in the front of the coil. And this one is gonna send a signal to the CDI. Always that pickup coil works with CDI. Second generation. One more time. That is first generation. Using what? Coils and condenser. The first 50 years of the bikes. Second generation using pickup coil and CDI. I should put another photo for the third generation. Probably I'll do that before I post this PowerPoint under file. Okay, ignition secondary circuit. Remember here? Let's go back to this one here. Anything from the center all the way to the right is called secondary parts. So here, secondary parts has what? Has ignition coil secondary circuit, has spark plug wires, has spark plug gap, and has spark plugs. Look at this picture here. You may have ignition coil like this one, and you want to test the ignition coil for resistance. So I'm gonna show you how to. I should make a video for you, but I'm gonna show you how to measure, how to identify the primary circuit. The primary circuit on this one is that orange or red wire plus this core right here. These two are the primary circuit. You can measure it using DMM, and always primary circuit is going to be in ohms. You measure it in ohms. So in reality, it's going to be like 1 ohm, 2 ohms.
Right there, the orange cable goes to the ground, goes to the switching.
The orange cable, this one here, is that is the power, and that is the ground.
Okay, that's okay, perfect.
So these two wires right here is the primary.
Good.
How about the secondary? The secondary, you put one lead of DMM right here, and the other lead goes right here. So these two are secondary.
So is that secondary cable a thicker cable because it carries more power, more voltage?
Yes, it carry more juice.
More juice.
And that juice, how much voltage you have in this wire? I'm gonna give you the number.
40,000?
Is up to 40,000. So normally, when the bike is running, only about 7 to 10,000 volts in that wire. 7 to 10,000. But that wire can carry up to 40,000.
All right.
One more time, when you measure primary between this one and this piece, you measure secondary between this one and this one.
In ohms.
And has to be in kilo ohms. Remember that, write it down. Primary in ohms, secondary in kilo ohms. Write it down. Primary in ohms, secondary in kilo ohms. Primary in ohms and secondary in kilo ohms. I have to look for an ignition coil here in the house, because right now I'm not allowed to go to school. So hopefully I have an ignition coil here in my house. I can show you.